but I forgot. Okay, so again,
Okay.
so we have a server. In that I have installed my DB and application. So application upgrade already I did from 12.1.1 to 12.1.3, and my DB version is 11.1.0.7. Now our motto is to upgrade our application from 12.1.3 to 12.2. So whenever we are going to upgrade anything like database or application or OS or anything, whenever we are going to upgrade, so we follow the document. I mean, say for example, if you are going to upgrade your PeopleSoft, so definitely Oracle has given some doc ID, and we will follow end to end. I mean, we will not put our own brain, okay, why this parameter Oracle has given, or why we are going to change. Most of the time, whatever documentation says, we follow. Same thing is applicable for SQL Server, for operating system, for Windows. Whatever product owner says, hey, you have to follow this step, and we do. So same thing is applicable here as well. For upgrade, Oracle has given a doc ID, and Oracle says that you have to follow those steps. Okay. So in case of 12.1.3, Oracle says that your database should be 11.204 or higher. If it is below, it will not support your application. So in first video, what I will show you how to upgrade our database from 11.1.0.7 to 11.2.0.4. So let me check the video. Okay, so where we have, okay, so many videos I have. I mean, since 3 days I'm doing upgrade. So let me check. Today is 28, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this is the video. Okay. Okay. So before doing upgrade, what I did, um, I mean, see, it's totally depend upon your experience. I mean, how much experience you have in the field and how you can avoid the downtime. Say, for example, I'm going to upgrade my database. So obviously, whenever I will do upgrade my database, it requires downtime. But there are something which we can do before actual upgrade. Say, for example, we require the Oracle Home 11.204 I need. So depend upon experience. Say I'm a very experienced guy. So what we can do to avoid the downtime, we can install Oracle binaries before getting the maintenance window. And whatever the patches Oracle says that we need to apply in that home, that we will do offline. I mean, say anytime early morning, I will log into server, I will create mount point, and I will create operating system user or whatever the prereq we required. That will be done by your OS team or your DBA team or any other team, and we will install Oracle Home and we will apply all the patches which we required. So we have a document in that what I did, and obviously you know very well how to install how to install Oracle Home. So this is my location U01 11204 database. So what I did run installer, and same screen you will get. So you can skip those options. You can install database software, you can create the database, or you can upgrade your existing database as well. So if I will choose this one, upgrade an existing database, it means it requires the downtime. So what it will do, first it will install Oracle Home, that will perform the upgrade. So generally we will not do this kind of activity. We install Oracle Home, we apply the latest patch set, and then we do the upgrade when the actual maintenance window comes. So I'm going to install database software, single instance. If it is a rack, you can choose rack one. Okay, so enterprise edition or standard or whatever. So most of the time we use enterprise. So location of my software I have given. So U01 Oracle prod DB tech stack 11.204. So base I have changed. U01 Oracle prod DB tech stack is my base, and 11.204 is my location. So database OS group is DBA. It's saying that from 11.2 what happened, no, not 11.2, before 11.2, like 11.1 or 10G. So what we have to do, whenever I am going to install software, we have to be sure whatever the prereq, whatever the patches, whatever the RPM we require, that should be applied. Otherwise, your installation will fail. But from 11.2, what Oracle did, hey, I'm starting my installation, but I forgot something. I forgot to mention kernel parameter. I forgot to apply some patches. So what will happen whenever you will install, if it is not going to satisfy all the checks, you will see the error message. And in respect to error message, system will give you the script as well. So what we can do, we can take that script, we can run the script. Say for example, in our case, some kernel parameter is status is warning. So might be I have given the value higher, or might be I have given the value lower. So what we can do, we will click on fix and check. Sorry, we will say fix. So what will happen? I will get one shell script in temp directory. We will run that script, and that script will update your parameters. Say I did this one. So it's saying that how much space you required, how much space you have, location, database edition, or operating system privileges, everything it will show you. And I will continue my installation. So this installation we can do at any time. This installation does not require any kind of downtime. Okay, so it will ask root.sh. I will run root.sh. Okay, it will change the Oracle homeowner, it will change the permissions, and installation has been done successfully. So again, this thing we will do in the offline mode. And once we have done the installation, every time we have to cross check the patches. Whatever the latest patch set or PSU Oracle has given, that we need to apply. And again, this patching we can do offline. My system is up and running, did not require any downtime. I will download the patch, and patch I will apply only 11.204 home. We agree in that case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Shamim, whenever you do install upgrade, how what approach you will follow?
Sir, actually, PeopleSoft upgrade basically happens in multiple phases. It is not just like we do the upgrade in EBS. PeopleSoft upgrade is basically in multiple phases, like the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, in certain phases. So directly, and then last phase is the production phase. Basically, production phase means the pass. We used to call it pass. So first we
Okay,
create a new instance. Then we new instance when we that instance with our production instance, and our developer will copy the data, and developer will compare the production and the new environment,
hmm.
and they recognize the changes, what the changes are, and they have to do the retrofitting of those changes. They have to keep the project in their file for that. So this is, I mean, this is the process we used to follow in PeopleSoft.
Okay, okay. See, same method we follow in Oracle application upgrade as well. I mean, in a single window, I will not upgrade my database, or I will not upgrade my application. So what we do, say in phase one, I created one ticket for customer approval, and when the customer has approved, I will install Oracle Home and I will apply the patch in one window. In second window, what I will do, I will upgrade my database. So once the upgrade has been done, I will test my application at least for a couple of weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks. And once we say, oh, hey, everything is fine. I mean, I have upgraded my database, and that database is compatible, and I'm not getting any kind of issues. So in third phase, we upgrade our application. And see here in the class, just what we are going to do, we are telling you the steps. Hey, this is the step to upgrade your application.
Right.
But actually, when we do the upgrade in the real production, our method or our approach will be different. Say for example, here, if something is wrong with my upgrade, what we can do, we
Right.
can delete everything and we can reinstall. But when we do the real upgrade, either it's a development or either it's a test, UAT or production, we are very much bothered about the backups. So backup of Oracle Home, backup of your database, backup of your application, backup of your environment, backup of your file system, everything will be backed up. Because if something is wrong and if we haven't took the backup, then everything gone. My application went down or my database is down, it will not come up. So backup is very important. And apart from backup, we do a lot of pre-checks. Like say in case of database upgrade, I mean, might be Nitin has done some upgrade as well. So we do a lot of checks. And once a check has been passed, why? Because doing application upgrade is not a kind of a small deal. It required a lot of discussion, a lot of involvement from other team as well. Because if something, say, we have almost 200 plus module. If something is wrong with one module or one particular file, it's very tough to troubleshoot. So most of the time, whenever we do upgrade, we involve Oracle support, we involve application team, DBA team, Unix team. Everyone will be in the same page. So okay, so installation has been done. So let me close this one and come to our actual video which we have. So our application version is 12.1.3. So let me continue. Okay, one question I have. See, I am sharing the videos only. So video is enough or do you need the document as well? Because see, I'm very
So
bad in documentation, very bad. So if you will
yeah,
say,
no problem. So you can send document, no problem with it. We can correlate that.
oh,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
okay, okay. So let me continue. So this document I have, I mean this document I'll share with you, and this document will tell you how to upgrade your database only from 11.1.0.7 to 11.204. So where is the document? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Very upgrade. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay. So these are the patches which we need to apply. And most important thing is that the document which I have mentioned here, this doc ID and this doc ID. So we have to open this doc ID and we have to read very carefully whatever the step Oracle is saying, whatever the parameter changes Oracle is saying, whatever the component Oracle is saying that we need to follow. Okay, so let me go to here again. See, I'll tell you, yesterday I deleted one video, right? Clone 2. Actually,
Yes, sir.
in that video somewhere my company name and my login ID came. So that,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure that you will not share to anyone, but just be in the safer side.
Yeah.
I deleted and I will
Yeah,
modify.
sure, sir.
Yeah, I will modify that video and I will share again. Okay. When I left Oracle, so I got one kind of almost a 10 pages document. So everywhere I did a sign. It says that I will not disclose anything in a single point of Oracle confidential. And if I will do so,
Hmm.
future, I mean, they can take me in the code, or I mean, generally people will, company will not do, but still, if I did a sign on paper, it means I am accepting whatever the terms and
Yeah.
condition Oracle has given.
Right, right.
Okay, so
And maybe in your life you can join the Oracle two times in your life, right?
yeah,
So that
yeah,
next
yeah,
time when you go to the Oracle, that would be your last time to join the Oracle.
exactly, exactly, exactly.
Usually people
I mean,
you
and for
usually
the
people stay in Oracle when they are in their retirement stage.
exactly, exactly, exactly. I mean, Oracle is a very good. I mean, recently one of my colleague has joined. I mean, he worked
Yes.
almost 5 years in Wipro, not 5 years, 7 to 8 years. Yeah, 8 years in Wipro and 3.5 year in current company where I'm in. And now he joined Oracle.
Yeah.
So he came Oracle and he's astonished. He said, "Arey, what Oracle is, yaar?" I said, "What happened?" He said, "From top to bottom. I mean, what Oracle did for giving a cloud training." Okay, let me stop this.
Time which when I was
So, okay, so uh, I'm going for installation. So whatever thing I have done in the Node WordPad, sorry. So in video, I'm saying that before doing upgrade, we need to apply some patches. Okay. So
so
these are the
in videos you have the wordsing. I mean, you were explaining that, or you were just idle in the
no,
windows
I'm explaining
in
you.
the videos.
Okay. Let me share this video first. So
Okay,
at least
great.
just for 2 minutes you can download and you can listen. Just 1 minute. Okay, start the recording. So this patch applied. So Nitin and Shamim,
Still database patching is going on.
yep, yes, yep. So I have a list of patches, what patches we applied, and that I'll share with you. So let me, yeah. So patch has been applied. Listener started. So now what we have to do, once we have applied all the patches and installation has been done, we have to copy the network files. Like we have a listener file, we have a TNS file, we have a SQL in .ora, we have password file, we have parameter file. So these file we need to copy from old home to new home. Okay. So let me start again. See here what I did in this line. See, I copied listener and TNS file. See, I went to network admin and I copied the file. See, this is my old home, so I am copying this file to new home. See here, cd u01 oracle prod db tech stack 11.1.0 network admin, and from this location I will copy my all the network file to new home 11204 home. Okay, so, so yeah, this is the important file. Let me note down this file and I'll explain what exactly the file is. So utu 11 to i.sql. See, this file is a file which we run from new home. And when I will run this file, system will generate one report. And that report will tell you before going to upgrade what changes you have to do in the source database. Say for example, some parameter we need to modify, we need to recycle bin clear, we have to check underscore parameter, we have to check the trace event, or we have to analyze any schema or anything. So this script will we will run, and whatever the recommendation this script will give to us, that recommendation we have to apply in the database level. Sometimes people will ask, hey, we are going to perform upgrade, what script we have to use to cross verify the environment or to get the suggestion from Oracle. Okay, so let me run this script and it will show you the recommendations. So I went to new home u01 Oracle prod tech stack 1124 rdbms admin, and I'm going to run this script. See, I'm going to run this script. It will take some time. It will take hardly 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, see, so I got the information what we have to do. See, it's showing that my database name is prod, version is 11.1.0.7, compatibility 11.1, block size 8192, platform is Linux, and time zone is V10. System table space is adequate. See the warning sign. Sysox table space is not large enough for upgrade. So current allocated size is 446, minimum required 662. So how much we have to increase? 216. So go down. Okay. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to resize my sysox. See, with the help of alter database, we can resize it. Data file 18 resize 1 GB 1 GB. Sorry, 500 MB I have given. So meanwhile, I was seeing the movie as well, Congo. This one. Okay, so whatever the information we are getting or whatever the suggestion I'm getting from that script, exactly I will follow same thing. So going well, it's saying that this parameter is obsolete. So see, one important thing, when I check the components, so every component is valid except my real application cluster. So reason is that I'm not using real application cluster, so that's why it's showing invalid. Okay, so move on. So it's saying the database contains some invalid objects. See, some invalid object in apps schema, almost 17 valid object. So we have to make them valid. And your recycle bin contains 177 objects. So we need to do some cleanup as well. Okay. Select object name, type, status, and see. These are the object, invalid object. So what we have to do, we have to run util-rp.sql and we have to compile. Or either a compilation we can do with the help of admin as well. See. So it RDMS admin and util-rp.sql. And what we have to do, we have to create etc or a tab file. Why? Just 1 minute, I'm getting on call. Shamim, I'm fine, just few minutes, okay? Just few minutes. I'm getting one important call. Okay, so I was talking about we have to create etc or a tab file. Reason is that if I'm going to upgrade my database using just 1 minute, 1 minute. So I was talking about we have to create etc or a tab file. So what is the reason for etc or a tab? Reason is that if I'm going to upgrade my database using DBUA, database upgrade assistant. So what it will do, it will read etc or a tab file, and whatever the database we have mentioned, depend upon those information, it will take the database. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one etc or a tab file. See in the video, via etc or a tab. So put the entry about your database and Oracle home. So prod colon u01. Yeah. Okay. So compilation is going on. Okay, 42, 41. Yeah, it's decreasing the invalid objects. Okay, going well. Okay, yeah. So this has been done. Now next is we have to what are the purge recycle bin. So we should not have. Okay. So Siddharth is saying, please share the videos. Sure, I will do in few minutes. Okay, so I did purge DBA recycle. See, whatever the output we got from that script, I'm following that option. So it's saying that job key process is 2. We have to make 4 or 4 5 whatever. It should be more than 2. So it's saying that we don't have any SP file. Obviously, we don't have SP file, so the command will fail. Okay. See, the current value is too low. Very yeah. See, starting with Oracle Database 11 release 12.2, setting job queue process to 0 cause both scheduler and job will not run. So value greater than 4. Default value is 1000. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to gather the stats. And we should check either do we have any kind of underscore parameter. Okay, it's going on. So need to change some parameter. Okay. See, these are the underscore parameter. Okay, so keep on moving, keep on moving. Okay. So whatever the pre-checks Oracle has recommended, we have done. Now, when we are going to upgrade our database, so what we have to do, either we can do manual upgrade with the help of some script, or either we can use DBUA. Most of the time, at least 90 or we can say 80% people will use DBUA. Why? Because it's a graphical mode and we can see the status what is running. So I'll say DBUA, database upgrade assistance. Okay, so meanwhile I'll get some issues. Why? Because see, I'll get some issues. So getting database information, please wait. See, I got null value. So reason was that we the time zone which we were using is a very old time zone version 10. So due to that reason, I was getting this null message. So in the video, I have shown what could be how to resolve this issue. So keep on going, keep on going. See, again I got null. I did a lot of changes, a lot of modification, but nothing has worked. So I went to Metalink. See, I went to Metalink, and in the Metalink it says that what you have to do, root cause was found to Aura time zone variable pointing source database home. So what we have to do, we have to unset this variable, and I did. Okay. So let me continue. Yeah. So still I'm getting this one. Okay. Let me open the next video. This one. Okay. Okay, so what solution I have mentioned that I'm showing it. And again I will get one more issue. Okay. In the video I'm explaining what was the issue. Issue was that due to incorrect time zone. See, I open the alert log file as well and see. Okay, okay. Keep on, keep on. Okay, so go for next video. Yeah, here. See, see in the background, I did unset aura underscore tz file. Okay. So here I'm using the parallelism for compiling my invalid objects. And you know, the beauty of DBU is if I'm using upgrade using a manual method, so we have to upgrade our time zone as well. But if I'm using DBUA, so we have option to upgrade my time zone as well. And see, the important thing, Oracle strongly recommends that you back up your database before starting the upgrade. So backup, we should take the backup, but it's our own environment, so I haven't took the backup. So let me. Okay, so keep on. So do you want to move the database file somewhere? No, I don't want to move. So it's for flash recovery area. So do you want to configure OEM? No. So this will tell you the information about your complete database. Okay, what would be the component? Either it's invalid or what are the parameters? Everything you will see in the GUI. Uh, So backup. I mean, upgrade got started. I mean, this upgrade took almost more than 4 hours. Okay. Okay. See, this upgrade I started at what time? At 1:30. See, in the corner you will see before that. See, in the corner side, just my screen, it's a 1:30 a.m. I started the upgrade. Okay, it's going on, going on. So I open the log file as well. Okay. Let me go for next video. So what I will do, I mean, I did capturing this video in multiple parts. So I will combine this video and I'll share with you.
Yes, sir. Please combine this
Yeah,
video.
I'll do that. Combining, I'll do.
And along with this, all this video, please send this video where, right? I mean, the current video which you are
Sure, sure,
explaining with
sure,
us.
sure. I'll do. I'll do.
The conversation.
Yeah, I'll do. But just have patience. I mean, might be today. I mean, today night or maybe tomorrow morning. I'll do.
Yeah,
Not,
sure, no problem.
so
So this is all about the database upgrade only.
database upgrade.
The
Yeah.
EBS upgrade has not been
No,
started.
not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Hmm.
See, database name is prod. Target is prod. Version is 11.0.7 and version is 11.204. Oracle Home this and Oracle Home. Yeah. And apart from that, some warning as well. See, everything is successful, like pre-upgrade, Oracle Server, JServe, Oracle XDK, and apart from Oracle Text, XML, everything is successful except real application cluster. Why? Because this component we haven't installed. See, my time zone got upgrade from version 10 to version 14. So move on, move on. See, when I did cat etc or a tab, automatically, see, when I created etc or a tab, I mentioned 11.1.0.7, but after upgrade, it became 11.204. See, I set the environment, and when I said SQL plus, it shown me 11.204. It means my database upgrade successfully done. So I'm checking the component and component version. Okay, see, everything is valid. So before that, generally when we do the upgrade in the real time, so before upgrade, we take this information and whatever the invalid object we have, including your sys schema or any other application schema, so we take the count, and after upgrade, we cross verify the count. We should have a less count, not more count. Okay, so likewise, we can upgrade our database from 11.1.0.7 to 11.204. So let me check other video, next video, what we have. Okay. So I think the video is very clear how to upgrade our database. Nitin, Shamim, Siddharth. And see, and again,
Yes.
this upgrade is a tough, very tough part, and it required a lot of patience and time. So let me. So now I'm going to upgrade our application. So as per the document, what we have to do, we have adgrants.sql. That file we have to run at the database level to create some missing grants or some extra grants and some object. Okay. So these are the post check which I'm going to do.
So you're doing the application upgrade now.
No, 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 not yet, not yet, not yet. Before doing application upgrade, I'm doing some post check for database. So running some SQL script or doing some grants. See, I ran AD grants, and now I'm going to run AD cpx prv.sql file.
So this all are documented from the Oracle support. I
Yes,
mean,
yes, yes,
is there a
yes,
document?
yes.
You have to run the sequential steps
Exactly,
that you have to run this first, then.
exactly, exactly, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So stopping the services. So these are the checks which we have to do very carefully. So run AD config. Okay. So see. So still I'm in 12.1.3. Why? Because when I'm saying AD in status, I'm seeing four services. So OFM, form, core, and HTTP. Okay. So this has been done. See, apart from that, I have some other videos. Like there are so many videos I have. So in that video, I faced a lot of issues. Then I removed everything again. Almost two times upgrade I did. So I have a last video. This one. Let me show you. Okay. Before that, one more video I have. So now I'm going to upgrade our application. So I ran rapid viz. Why? Because I required 11.204 application. So rapid viz I did. So
Application is 11 or application is should be 12 now.
yeah,
12.4, right?
12.12.2.2,
12.2.4.
2.2, not 4. Okay, so let me move on. Not applied. So there is a big list for the patch. So one by one I'm going to apply. So in this video I have shown you how to apply the patches and what are the patches we required. See, one patch got failed. I think we'll go back here. See, one patch got failed. So it's saying that unrecognized command or option version, and somewhere it says that. See, check minimum O patch version failed. So my current version is 11.203.5 and we require the latest one. So what I did, I went to Metalink and from Metalink I downloaded O patch version. See, the current version is 11.203. Okay, so I, I copied the patch in the server. So I copied the patch on the server. Now what we have to do, we have to unzip this one, this patch, and we have to copy this O patch to Oracle Home directory. Okay, so let me continue. See, so rather than deleting O patch directory, I'm going to take the backup. Okay, it's done. Now move on. Yeah, here. See, the important thing here. When I did O patch version, it's shown that 11.203.17. Previously, it was 11.203.4 or .5. So always Oracle recommends whenever I'm going to apply a patch, my O patch version should be latest. It should be either 11.203.15, 16 or whatever. It should be latest. Okay, so move on. So this is all about the patching which I have done. How to do pre-checks. So see here. Yep, this is check dbpatch.sh. So if you want to get this file, you have to download this patch p175371.9, and when you will unzip this one, it will create check db patch. So what we can do, we can run this file, and this file will check your Oracle Home, and whatever the recommended patch you need to apply, it will give you the result. So let me run this one and cross check. See, see. Okay, so I'm going to run check db patch.sh. Yeah, check db.sh, check db patch.sh. So it will read your Oracle Home and context file, and it will give you the recommended patches which we need to apply. See, need to apply below patches only. So I downloaded the patch and again I need to apply. So unzip this patch and apply. Okay, let me move on. So I went to the readme.txt file, and whatever the instruction it has written in the readme.txt file, I'm going to execute. It's saying that we need to run cat bundle. So I will take this one and I will run. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So check db patch again. Okay. So, so again it's saying that I need to apply these patches. See, when I applied the patch, it's saying that check active file and executable. So need to shut down the database, then we can apply the patch. Okay. So I downloaded the patch. Need to download this patch from Metalink and apply. So I went to Metalink. Okay, I got the patch. I transferred to the server. I did unzip. So refer to readme.html file. Okay, so I open the readme.html file, and whatever the instruction it has written, I am going to follow. So Nitin, Shamim and Siddharth, are we good? Or it's going to be over?
So, yeah, so it's fine, but we have to watch this video one or two, three times. Then it will be then, and
Yeah,
on the
Exactly,
second hand,
exactly.
on the other hand, we would, and on the other hand, we would be doing the practicals at the same time. Then it would be clear for us.
Yes, yes, agree, agree. Actually, the process looks very lengthy. Okay, but say we know how to apply a patch. So I got a list of patches, and the same command I am going to execute. Go to the patch directory, or patch apply. Come back, go to other directory, or patch apply. So I think
Yes, sir.
patching has been done. Okay, so let me close this one video and go for next. So I'm assuming that patching we have done. What are the patches we required for application upgrade that we have done? Now I'll go for application upgrade. So while time of upgrade, I need to specify the context file. Because in context file we have all the configurations. Okay, so carry on. Yeah.
We are doing the upgrade from we are doing upgrade in GUI mode.
Yep, GUI mode. Yep. See, application upgrade 100% we used through GUI mode. I mean, Oracle will, I mean, I don't think that we have a command line utility to upgrade our application. So,
Okay.
yeah, so it's going on. See, database availability, environment file, WLS, domain validation, DBC file, everything is green. See, upgrade I did, but I got one issue. I mean, though application got upgraded, I mean, we got the WebLogic, we got the port, everything. But when I'm checking the release name, it's showing 12.13. So in this video, I'm showing you either upgrade has been done or not. See, release underscore name from FND product groups. So it's showing release name is 12.13. Okay. Okay, so let me open the other video and last video, which see we got the screen as well. But now let me log into server. Yeah. See, when I'm seeing ADOPM in status, so it's showing EBS web prod. It means our application got upgraded successfully. But I don't know why it's showing 12.1.3. Maybe some table has not upgraded. So still I have some post checks. So let me do the post check. I will do the post checks and let's see if we can get the version 12.2.2. Yeah, so these are the post check that we need to do. So that I will do later. See, just sake of example or sake of knowledge, I have shown you how to upgrade application. But it's a tough and time consuming. So please try to upgrade the
Yes,
application in Euclid machine and just see the result.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's I understand.